Hello everyone, my name is Fabio Scutella from Italy and I'm a prosthodontics postgraduate from Boston University. I'm very happy to announce that on February 3 and 4th, 2023, I will be in Dubai to give a 2-day hands-on course on prosthetic and aesthetic dentistry. Main topic of the course is the vertical preparation on teeth, something that myself and few others Italian colleagues have pioneered about 15 years ago and which has now become very popular worldwide. The vertical approach has basically shifted the paradigm as we know it in fixed prosthetic dentistry, making some of the most crucial procedures simpler, faster, and yet predictable in terms of soft tissue stability around the artificial restorations in the mid and long run. This 2-day course is a mix between the theory in the morning, during which the solid scientific fundamentals of the protocol, along with the step-by-step clinical procedures such as tooth preparation, soft tissue management, temporary relining, final impression, ceramic material selection, and so forth, will be in-depth presented, and the practice in the afternoon, where everyone will be able to prepare several teeth to reline temporary crowns, and everything will be strictly supervised by myself. Finally, I will also talk and show how to manage laminate veneers rehabilitations on vertical preparations and with a no-prep protocol that I've been so successfully using in my practice in Milan for the past 10 years. At the end of the course, I'm sure that every one of you will understand why this protocol is so efficient and brilliant and highly predictable, and why it became so popular worldwide. I'm really looking forward to meeting and speaking with all of you next February during an exciting weekend that we could rename the Vertical Weekend in Dubai. Thank you and see you soon.